This AI hack guards your business 24/7 and catches bad reviews before they have a chance to hurt you. It scans all of your business pages, your Google Maps listing, your Facebook page, your Instagram profile, or any review site you add. And the moment it finds something negative, it sends you a private alert with a full breakdown of what's going on. And it doesn't just warn you, it actually writes the perfect response for you. A calm, professional reply that diffuses the situation, offers a solution, and tells the customer exactly how to fix the issue with you directly. Plus, the whole system is completely free and takes under 2 minutes to set up. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it step by step. And then I'll run a live test so you can see it catch a real negative comment and generate the fix instantly. If you've ever worried about one angry review dragging your reputation down, this is the hack you've been waiting for. Alright, so what does this automation actually do? Twice a week, completely on its own, it goes out and scans the entire internet for any new reviews or public comments about your business. Google Maps? Checked. Facebook? Checked. Instagram mentions? Yep, those too. Basically any public link you give it. It watches it for you. And then it compiles everything into one clean reputation report. Super easy to read, super easy to skim. Every review it finds gets automatically categorized as positive, negative, or mixed. And the best part is that it even writes a personalized response for each one in your business's tone of voice. Positive review, it drafts a warm thank you. Negative review, it writes a calm, professional apology with a "let's fix this" next step. Mixed feedback, it balances both sides perfectly. And all of this happens automatically. You don't lift a finger. And your niche can be literally anything: cafes, salons, real estate, gyms, agencies. If you have customers, this hack works for you. Now, let's get into the setup. Step 1 is super simple. All you're going to do is paste this prompt into ChatGPT. That's it. This one prompt basically builds an entire automation system for you. I have already added it to the description, so you can take it from there if you want to use it. When you paste it, ChatGPT instantly understands that you want to set up a recurring task called Channel Manager, and this task becomes your personal reputation monitoring assistant. Here's what that prompt actually instructs ChatGPT to do behind the scenes. It sets up a schedule that runs twice a week, every Monday and Saturday at 10 a.m. It tells ChatGPT exactly which platforms to scan: your Google Maps listing, your Facebook page, your Instagram presence, or any review site you add. It tells it to pull every new review that appeared since the last scan. Then it analyzes each review and sorts them into positive, negative, or mixed categories, and after that, it drafts perfect responses for every single review, written in a warm, professional tone that matches your brand. Finally, it packages everything into one clean reputation report that's easy to skim in seconds. In one move, you're basically teaching ChatGPT to act like your customer service manager, a manager who never sleeps, never misses a review, and always responds politely. For this video, I plugged in a completely random example business just to show you how it works. The business name is Pizza Hub. Facebook page is also added of this business, and Instagram is also here. Google Maps will add the exact link when needed, but for now, this shows you the format. These links are just examples. They're not my business. I'm only using them to demonstrate the system. Your setup will use your own business pages, because that makes sense. Maybe you run a cafe, a salon, a photography studio, a gym, whatever. You simply paste your own Facebook link, your own Instagram, your Google Maps profile, or even an industry-specific review site like TripAdvisor or Zomato. And that's it. Once these links are added, the automation is fully configured. ChatGPT now knows exactly where to look, what to scan, and how to build your reputation report twice a week, completely on autopilot. Moving forward, this next step is super important, so don't skip it. The moment you paste that automation prompt into ChatGPT, it's going to stop you and say something like, "To continue, please connect your Gmail account." And that's exactly what we want, because without Gmail connected, it can't deliver your reports, it can't notify you when the task runs, and it won't be able to send those twice-a-week summaries back to you. So here's how you do it. Just go to Settings, then Apps and Connectors, and then connect Gmail. Click Gmail, give it permission, confirm the connection, and that's it. The whole thing takes maybe 20 seconds. And after you connect it, ChatGPT will also ask you to turn on email notifications. Make sure you toggle that on because that's what allows the automation to alert you every Monday and Saturday when your report is ready. Once Gmail is linked and notifications are enabled, the system is officially alive. You've just given ChatGPT the ability to monitor your reviews and send you updates like a real customer service agent. Okay, so once everything is connected and the links are added, this is where the automation gets fun because ChatGPT actually runs a full test. First, it confirms the entire setup. It shows you the task name, channel manager, and the exact schedule every Monday and Saturday, 10 a.m. sharp. And it even confirms the time zone it's using. Basically, this automation is locked in and will keep running forever unless you manually stop it. Then ChatGPT performs a complete test run as if it's one of those scheduled days. And this is exactly what I got back. The first thing it generated was a clean email-style summary. It literally wrote out a 60-second report highlighting the biggest themes it found. Strong positive sentiment, multiple event shoutouts, and the fact that Pizza Hub had a 100% recommend rating on Facebook. Then it broke down the Facebook reviews. It found Pablo's full review, the best pizza and service one, labeled it as positive, and drafted a super warm, supernatural reply thanking him personally, like it genuinely sounded human. After that, it scanned public mentions. It picked up multiple Facebook posts talking about Pizza Hub at the Driftwood events. It flagged all of them as positive and even drafted event-style engagement replies you could post as a comment. Then it pulled an Instagram overview. It recognized the profile bio, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐷's sauciest pizza, and grabbed context from the latest posts, like the new season menu updates and open mic nights. It didn't find any new customer reviews there, but instead it gave reusable positive comment templates and mixed comment templates you can use anytime. Now, it couldn't scan Google Maps because we didn't give it the exact business listing link, and Facebook plus Instagram rate limit automated access, so the AI can only read what's publicly accessible at that moment. But the structure? Absolutely perfect. Every single entry follows the same format: review to sentiment to drafted response. You could literally copy and paste these replies directly onto your Facebook page or Instagram posts. And remember, this isn't a one-time thing. This entire report will now show up for you twice a week, automatically, forever. And that's the entire system. One single prompt and boom! You now have a full reputation manager running in the background for your business. And if you want more automations like this, more setups that save you hours every single week, go check out my other video. AI wrote my dating profile. It actually worked. Yeah, I mean, personal lives matter too. It's a totally different kind of automation, but honestly, the reaction to that one has been insane. People are loving it, and it's the perfect follow-up after this. And of course, subscribe if you want more of these AI hacks, because I've got a lot more coming, and they're getting crazier every week. I'll see you in the next video.